Hi, my name is Joe Lane with Harrell Home Services. On this episode, we're going to show you guys some of the highlights of the routine maintenance we offer to you, some of the basic features of the maintenance that help your machine last longer and keep your utilities bills down as low as possible, and also why these things do that, and some of the things in the maintenance that are going to help prevent the most common service calls and most common routine breakdowns throughout the summer months. One of the most common service calls we see all summer long, and the number one reason for a breakdown, is a clogged drain line. What happens there is the drain out of your AC system gets clogged through the drain line, won't make it all the way out. Your system, as a preventative measure, shuts off to prevent flooding or damage in the house. And you'll see this is when you come home and the AC is not working, and for example, there's nothing on the thermostat at all. That's the number one cause of a service call in this area of Florida. We see it all summer long, and this can be avoided with a simple routine maintenance. As a part of the maintenance, we actually high pressure vacuum and clear out the drain line of any restrictions, sludge buildup, and fungus. This way you don't have that problem. You can save yourself a service call and keep yourself cool all summer long. When we come out and do your maintenance in your home, the technician is going to start outside the home, where he's going to take the top off the condenser, get all the gunk and debris out of there, so let everything drain out properly for you. He's going to chemically clean the condensing coils from the inside out. That's going to allow them to breathe better, keep your power bill as low as possible, help keep your machine running as long as possible. Check all of your electrical components, make sure they're drawing the proper amount of ampage. Check your refrigerant levels for you, high pressure vacuum and clean the drain line, and many more. First thing we're going to do is we're going to show you the outside part of the home with your condenser and how that process works, and also how those things help prevent breakdowns and keep your machine running as long as possible. And later in the video, we will show you sanitizing inside the home as well.
An essential part of any maintenance to an air conditioner is a thorough cleaning of the coil. This one increases longevity of the system and enhances your energy savings with the system. We start by using a thorough chemical wash like this on the condenser coil. Start by applying the chemical from the inside, because this allows us to back flush the coil, remove all the particulate matter from the coil, and maximize the cleanliness of the procedure. After letting the chemical set on the coil for a few minutes to work loose the grime and dirt, we will then back flush the coil, removing all the dirt and foreign material from it. After reassembling the condenser, once all the dirt and debris are removed from the coil, as well as the compressor area at the bottom where leaves may accumulate, causing corrosion and damage, the unit will be reassembled, and then we'll begin the electrical and performance checks of the system. Right now we're checking the capacitor as well as the contactor. These are both high failure items. An unexpected failure of these items can be costly and damage other critical components of the system, as well as leading to major discomfort in your home. Checking refrigerant pressures is extremely important. This is the heart of the system. If the compressor isn't operating properly with a proper amount of refrigerant, it can cause critical failure to the system, as well as extremely high utility bills. The number one service call we see is a clogged drain line. This creates many headaches for the customer and potential for property damage. This can be minimized by proper maintenance by doing the following.
Inside the home, he's going to go to the air handler, sanitize those cooling coils in place with an EPA-approved bacteria-killing sanitizer to help prevent mold and mildew buildup, keep your system as efficient as possible. Check all the electrical components inside the machine as well. He's also going to check all the ductwork in the attic to make sure there's no leaks, rips, or tears. So thanks for stopping by. I hope all this information was informative and helps you throughout the summer. Harrell Home Services is proud to provide all the information here. If you have any questions, you can call us at the phone number at the end of the video. Harrell Home Services, when you just can't wait for comfort.